Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Enjoy and learn with Limodia. Today we will see about MCQ type questions for laboratory technicians competitive exam. Before start this video, I want to tell you something that if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and touch bell icon so you will get new video from my channel. In this video, many questions which is related to the introduction of laboratory. So let's start. The first question is, which of the following is not a part of microscope? Which of the following is not a part of microscope? The right answer is vibrator. Second question, magnification not obtained from standard clinical microscope is magnification not obtained from a standard clinical microscope is 10,000x. Second question, in relation to microscope, which of the following is not true? In relation to microscope, which of the following is not true? The right answer is RPM. The second question, of the following, which one is not an objective quality? Of the following, which one is not an objective quality? The right answer is APOA. Second question, which of the following is not usually the magnification of standard microscope objectives? The right answer is 250x. The most commonly used eyepiece is known as hygiene eyepiece. The second question, phase contrast illumination is often not used for live. Phase contrast illumination is often not used for light. The answer is malarial parasite. Second question, which method would you use for platelet counting and for examining routine urine specimens? The right answer is phase contrast microscopy. Second question is, on accidentally swallowing alkali blank may not be required. The answer is picric acid. Second question, in infected material is accidentally sucked in the mouth, what should not be done? The answer is swallow the material. The second question, of the following blank is permitted in the laboratory? The answer is none of the above. Means wearing nylon cloth while working is not allowed. Keeping large quantities of inflammation liquids is not allowed. Pipetting liquids by mouth is not allowed. The second question is, which of the following inflammable will ignite even from a distance of several meters. The right answer is ether. Second question. The laboratory first aid box must contain. The laboratory first aid box must contain all of the above. 5% aqueous sodium carbonate, 5% acetic acid, and saturated solution of boric acid in an eyedrop bottle. Second question. All infected materials should ideally be discarded into All infected materials should ideally be discarded into alcohol. In which alcohol? The second question is, in relation to medical parlance, what does SCP stands for? SCP stands for Healthcare Personnel. Healthcare Personnel. The second question, needle stick risk. Which of the following is true? Here given all option is true. Risk of acquiring hepatitis B from a needle stick is 30%. Risk of acquiring hepatitis C from needle stick is 2 to 10%. Risk of acquiring HIV from needle stick is 0.3%. Second question, which of the following is a hazard sign for harmful chemical? Which of the following is hazard sign for harmful chemical? The right answer is this picture. The second question, which of the following is a sign for caution with oxidant material? Which of the following is a sign for caution with oxidant material? The right answer is this picture. Second question, which of the following is not an example of incompatible chemicals? The right answer is water with sodium hydroxide. Water with sodium hydroxide. The next question, what is permitted in a laboratory? So here given all three options is not permitted. Smoking is not permitted. Open neck flames is not permitted in laboratory. Eating food on workbenches is not permitted in laboratory. The next question, what is not true of electrical installation in a laboratory? What is not true of electrical installation in a laboratory? The right answer is flammable liquids can be kept near electrical points. Flammable liquids can be kept near electrical points. It is not true. The second question is, regarding chemicals in laboratory, the following should be avoided. The answer is dangerous spillage. Dangerous spillable chemicals should be kept at the top. The dangerous spillable chemicals should be kept at the top. Second question. What is not preferable in a lab? What is not preferable in a lab? Right answer is a single clean toilet for use by staff members and also by patients. It is not preferable in lab. Second question. It is important in a lab. It is important in a lab. So, the answer is all of the above. Means all members of your team must be immunized as relevant to the laboratory work. No single person works alone in a room. Two compatible persons should work together always. So here given all 3 points is important in a lab. The next question is, which of the following can be avoided? Which of the following can be avoided? As far as possible, use glassware only. As far as possible, use glassware only can be avoided. The second question is, of the following blank is not a flammable liquid. Of the following blank is not a flammable liquid. The answer is iodine solution. Iodine solution is not a flammable liquid. Second question. Which of the following is not a corrosive chemical? Which of the following is not a corrosive chemical? The answer is hydrogen peroxide is not a corrosive chemical. Second question. Of the following blank is not a skin irritant. Of the following is not a skin irritant. The answer is hematoxylin. Hematoxylin. Second question. Which of the following is not an oxidizing chemical? The answer is acetone. Which of the following is an explosive chemical? Picric acid is explosive chemical. Second question. Which of the following must be stored under water? Picric acid must be stored under water. Second question. Which of the following is not a carcinogen? Which of the following is not a carcinogen? The right answer is eosin. Second question. Identify the carcinogen from amongst the following. Here answer is selenite. Selenite is carcinogen. In case of an acid burn, blank may not be required. In case of an acid burn, may not be required. Answer is dilute hydrochloric acid. dilute hydrochloric acid. Next question. Of the following would not cause an alkali burn? Of the following would not cause an alkali burn. Hydrogen peroxide would not cause an alkali burn. Next question. The definition of health includes which of the following? The definition of health includes physical health, mental health, social health, all of the above. Means here given 3 option is includes in definition of health. Next question. Which of the following disease has been eradicated? The answer is smallpox. Next question. How can you best describe a laboratory blank of a hospital? How can you best describe a laboratory of a hospital? The laboratory is backbone of a hospital. Next question. As a laboratory technologist, it is your job to provide, as a laboratory technician or technologist, it is your job to provide. The answer is timely reports, accurate reports, and courteous service. Second question. What should not be a part of health cycle? The mortality is not a part of health cycle. Next question. What is the temperature comfort zone in laboratory? The answer is 21 to 27 degrees Celsius is comfort temperature for the laboratory zone. Second question. In a laboratory, the following is not true. Answer is water sinks may be kept outside the laboratory. It is not true for the laboratory. Second question. What is absolutely essential for a good laboratory? What is absolutely essential for good laboratory? Answer is good exhaust system, adequate ventilation, adequate lighting. 3 points is necessary or essential for a good laboratory. Second question. Code of conduct for medical personnel does not include. Answer is place the well-being self over and above the service of the sick. Place the well-being self over and above the service of the sick. The second question. Code of conduct for medical personnel always includes. Answer is be loyal to your medical laboratory profession. Do not misuse your professional skill or knowledge for personal gain. Never take anything from your place of work that does not belong to you. Second question. What kind of hazard exists in laboratory? What kind of hazards exist in laboratory? Answer is chemical, physical and biological kind of hazards exist in laboratory. Second question. Which of the following is not a physical hazard in a laboratory? Which of the following is not a physical hazard in a laboratory? The answer is acid. Second question. A fire blanket can be used for? A fire blanket can be used for? The answer is clothing fire. The answer is clothing fire. Which of the following can be used for all kinds of fires? Which of the following can be used for all kinds of fires? The right answer is halon spray. Halon spray.